Hello guys, today I will do the installation of Modeler in Red Hat based Linux. I'm using a virtual machine with a fresh Red Hat Enterprise Linux 9. Disclaimer, the Linux operational system is not supported officially by Salesforce, okay? But it works very well. Okay, let's go. The first step is to install the Visual Code. Okay, to do that, we need enter to the site here and download the RPM. Okay, click install and put your password. Visual Studio Code was installed properly. Now we need to install the source control management. In this case, we will use the Git. To install, I will open the terminal and type sudo dnf group install development tools. Okay, put your password. Confirm the installation and wait to finish. Okay, let's test the Git, verifying the version. It's installed and we can move to the next step. We need to install the Node.js. For that, I will use the NVM, Node Version Manager, and then let's open the NVM website. And get the script to install. Paste and install. To finish the installation, we need to close and reopen the terminal. NVM. Okay, the command is good. Checking again, we need to install the version 20. Install, type nvm install 20 and check the node version. Okay, the version 20 was installed. And now we need to install the Salesforce CLI. I will get the command, copy and paste. Okay, the installation was finished. And to test if everything is okay, let's do this command, copy and paste. Okay, it's working and no plugins was installed yet. Now we need to install the Python version 3.11. Okay, to do that, we need to do the following command: sudo dnf install python 3.11. Put your password, confirm the installation. Okay, now we have two versions of Python installed in the virtual machine. Python 3 version. The default version is the 3.9. To change that, we need to do the following command: sudo update alternatives install usr in python 3 python 3 us python 3 9, and this is the first alternative, the 3.9. And we will use the same command to inform the Python 3.11 is the second alternative. To verify this configuration, we need to do the command sudo update alternatives config python 3. Okay, we have here the two versions, and the default in this case is the second. Just enter and again checking the Python version. Nice. We are with the Python 3.11. Now we need to install the browser, the Google Chrome. I will open the website of Google and download the RPM. Okay, I will double click and install. Put your password. Installation was completed, and now we can open and check if was installed properly. Okay, the Google is okay. Google Chrome, close. And now, next step is about the Salesforce org. I will not cover this step here because I believe you already have a Salesforce org with Consumer Goods Cloud. Let's go to the install modular Salesforce CLI plugin, and here we have the command to install the CLI plugin. Copy and paste. Enter, and let's wait. Okay, good. Installation was finished. Now we can do this command to verify the installation. Copy again, paste. Okay, great. The modeler was installed properly. And we can check the CLI plugins. And now we have the modeler plugin installer. Okay, that's it. Thanks and bye bye.